guys, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Welcome back to the channel. Amy here as per usual. How you guys doing? I hope everyone is doing okay. Yes, I still have a cold. My voice still sounds weird. Tell me sorry in the comment section. Anywho, how is everyone doing? Thank you so much for the love I got on the previous video. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing. So we're gonna be unboxing this package from Amazon. So let's go. I'm just gonna put this here so I can make use of my hands. Okay, so I am going to. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing.
You wanna be, 'cause you wanna be free. You wanna be free. You wanna be free.
What it looks like has a receipt here, and the popular. Okay.
You wanna be free.
And then this is the item we have here. It's called a 5K pocket camera. So the box is really small. Coming closer so you guys can see. I'm just gonna open here, right?
I know that you know that I know you can never love me because you know that I know that you wanna be free. Isn't it the way?
Okay. So it has this, comes with a cable, a Type-C cable, a phone holder, and a flash drive. Didn't see that coming. A wrist of I don't know what that is. I don't know what it's called. A microphone, I believe, for mounting it. This is for mounting, and you know what this is. I don't know what this is. I know what it is, but I don't know what it's called. And then it has the manual here, and then the camera. This is it. This is what it looks like. It's so small. Okay, I think this one. Okay, I think it's on now. It is so cute. Oh my gosh, it is so cool. Can you see? It is so cute. Oh wow. So it's recording in 4K 30 FPS. It is so small, my goodness. I don't know how to turn the camera. I don't think this turns. I think you just hold it like this. Okay, so that's it for this. I'm going to try to study the camera, but for now this is what we have. It's so small and it's so cute. Okay, this is the end of the video. This is the end of our unboxing. So I'm just gonna go through this now, and I will tell you guys what I think about the camera later. Thank you. And if you watch up until this moment, please endeavor to like, share, and subscribe. Comment, please. Okay, thank you. Bye. See you in my next video.